is your least favorite homesteading job? It's not even a homesteading job. It's just a house job. Mine is weed whacking. And we got 18 acres, about 6 acres of pasture. Luckily, I don't really have to mow the grass ever because the horses eat the grass. The goats help with a lot of the weeds, but there's places that the weed or that the goats can't get to or that we don't want them at. And goats are pickier than people think. They don't really eat everything. They eat a lot of stuff, but not everything. I have hated weed whacking since I was a teenager. The freaking line you have to deal with, the spool, it's always coming undone. Then you gotta take the head off. It is just a pain in the butt. I recently discovered something, and I just wanted to share it with everybody because this has made weed whacking a heck of a lot easier and almost fun. Almost fun. That's this new, I guess, weed eater head I bought. It's these strings. I've seen these for a while. They've been out for a couple years, but I didn't want to spend the extra money to get a new head for my weed whacker. But my old spooling head, the old trimmer line, that head finally broke. I had to get rid of it. It was cheaper to get a new head for my weed whacker than to get a whole new weed whacker. So I got this. I tried it out. These are a little expensive, but they last forever, a long, long time. I had to weed whack about 3 acres, and it's not like I was weed whacking the whole area, but around trees, around bushes, around the house, lots of places that I can't get the tractor to, I had to use this. And these last a long, long time. I was super surprised. I don't really endorse products normally. I mean, maybe sometimes I do, but this just made my life so much easier, and it's quicker. I'm able to weed whack my whole property without having to change these out. I was able to I guess, use these 2 or 3 times, actually, before I had to get new ones. They're just amazing. Makes my job a lot easier. It comes with a special head I got. And this is actually cool too. This is a, I guess, the bottom part of the head. And with this, you can be right at ground level, like touching the ground with this, and get super close to the ground, a lot closer than you can with a normal weed whacker. It's just awesome. I'm about to do some weed whacking. I haven't done any weed whacking in about a month because the horses do most of it. But again, it gets grown up and I eventually got to do it. This is probably my last time I have to weed whack for the year, so I'm happy about that. So I'm going to get to it, and hopefully if you hate weed whacking, I promise you this will make your job 10 times easier. I mean, maybe 12, 11, 30, 40 maybe, 50, I don't know.